Today I want to show you how to switch out the buttons on the radio. On a Porsche 997 at least they can be very greasy. I don't know why. It's some kind of weird material. And it's the easiest job you can do to actually make your Porsche look a bit better. Let's take a look and I can show you. And here's how it looks. This one I've already switched out. Looks great. This one needs to be switched out. It's very greasy, and as I said, it's like a special material somehow. So to do this, you just need to pull it out. Here we can see it a bit better. And we take the new one and press it in there. What a big change, right? Also, I've noticed that these two, this one and this one, usually are not looking that great on these cars. Many people are pushing here when they want to increase the fan, for example, instead of pushing here. These are a bit harder to change. I can show you later. I've changed those two before. Hope this can help you make your Porsche really good. I hope this little trick makes your Porsche look much better. I think for me at least, it's in the details, and you want it to be as good as it can. And this is one of the first things you see when you enter the car. Please subscribe. There will come more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.